We do have new details to share with you tonight on the report showing taxpayers are picking up the tab for executives, alcohol and meals.
Now, that is just one thing that the Denver auditor is flagging tonight after reviewing more than 700 expense reports for Caring for Denver. Take a look at this. Almost a decade ago, voters increased sales tax to create the Caring for Denver Foundation. It has awarded more than $185 million in grants to nearly 300 organizations. In his report, the auditor says the nonprofit approves grants for incomplete, falsified applications and problematic applicants. He also says that the group doesn't keep track of grants to see if money was used effectively and regularly expenses executive and staff meals and alcohol with taxpayer funds. The auditor says Caring for Denver doesn't ensure its spending is effective or even appropriate. Your reporter Gabrielle Vidal joins us live tonight with how the nonprofit is responding to this audit. And Gabby, this is a pretty scathing report.
Michael and Karen, the executive director of Caring for Denver, tells me that they do know that they could be making some changes to how they operate, but say that not everything in the audit report is as it seems. And they say that they've worked hundreds of hours with the auditor's office to make some of the changes and concerns that are in his report.
An organization that invests in community.
We were created out of a sales tax initiative in 2018 to address mental health and substance misuse needs in our city and county of Denver.
Now under the spotlight for its spending habits.
We found staff expenditures for things like meals and alcohol that appeared to me to be excessive.
The city auditor states a foundation executive and staff regularly paid for meals and alcohol with taxpayer funds. The auditor looked at 734 expense reports, found 598 released to meal reimbursements, 200 meals reimbursed to the executive, 75 included over $3,000 on alcohol.
Our policy is to pick up that tab.
But Executive Director Laura Meinhold says that money was spent on business meetings with community members.
We don't want that meeting ever to be limited by how many resources an organization has. So again, we have a policy of just if we're meeting with somebody, we'll pay for it. A majority of these meetings were actually over coffee. Not meals, not alcohol.
I asked about the auditor's concerns about grants being awarded for things like self-care and quarterly retreats for grantee staff.
It helps organizations achieve on their mission of mental health and substance misuse.
The auditor also claims grants were awarded to incomplete applicants.
We found the process to decide who they were going to grant money to needed a lot more documentation, needed a lot more policies, a lot more structure around it.
And we want to make sure that we're equitable and accessible.
Meinhold recognizes they can do a better job of documenting grant applications, expenses, and make changes to build trust.
We'll stop allowing the reimbursement for alcohol going forward. We're sorry that trust has been eroded. We again take this very seriously. It has never been a significant amount of what we spend on administrative, but we know that the conflict that it creates.
And the executive director says that following this report, there have been a number of recommendations made by the auditor's office regarding some of the concerns in that report. She says that there are some recommendations that they plan to follow through on and others that they don't quite agree on completely. In Denver, Gabrielle Vidal covering Colorado First.
I certainly appreciate her candor and the fact that she sat down and answered your questions. Gabby, thank you.